Samsung TV UN55NU6900. You can see standby light flashing. Yeah. So the TV try to turn us on, but nothing on the screen, no backlight. The TV has one board, is a power section here, then the main board is here. Plus there is a T-cone built in. So right here it said standby 11.8 and on is 11.8. So in the output of these diodes, the TV plugged in, and we have 12.8 volts stable. So we have the voltage. This TV, it works with the 1 voltage. It works with 1 volt is the 12 volt. So in the capacitor, we have 350 volt. So the voltage is already been boosted to 350. The input voltage is 160 at the rectifier bridge. So likely it's the power section is okay. So let's check some coils here to see the voltage that they have. 0 volt, 0. We have 5 volt in this coil. The processor is warm. This means there is a power coming to the processor, is a 1.5 volt. Almost 1 volt here. At the IR sensor and the power button. Good. 3.3. Yeah, the 3.3 is good. So the power button, it works. We have the voltages in the main board. CPU is getting warm. Let's check just randomly some coils for short. That coil is tested. I think it's normal, that coil. 0.25. So this coil here, it's like for the CPU. That's the resistance of the CPU, this coil. It tested low. Yeah. This coil resistance of it to the ground is normal, and that's the CPU. So basically, we have the voltage, we have the CPU is getting warm. There is a power coming to the CPU, but the TV doesn't want to respond. This main board is kind of weak, and they see a lot of CPUs and NAND issue in them. So I'm just gonna go, I ordered another board, and hopefully that's gonna fix the problem. So I ordered this board from eBay, and it looks like it came from Hawaii. So that's the solar marks. But look what you see here. You see these capacitors are bad. See these black spots? Look like it's, I don't know, it's very fluid. See the brownish here? Anyway, let's plug it to the TV and we see what it's doing. But he didn't see these bad capacitors. Okay, so we plug the TV to the power. You hear that sound? It's the capacitors. And the standby light is okay. 10 days waiting for this board. Then it came in this condition. Alright, let's replace these capacitors and we see. Alright, let's take the capacitor from the original board to the replacement board. So the replacement capacitors is 486 and 0.05 ohm in the ESR. So these capacitors are good. So we need to discharge the backlight capacitors. Just with the solder iron plug, and our two capacitors is there. Okay, I replaced the capacitor. Let's go test it. No more that sound. I did see the backlight goes on and off. The backlight is on and dim. Look like the TV is in on mode. Yeah, we have the backlight. And yep, we have the picture. So you see, so the TV works. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. And see you.